this up. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Let me. My mouse back? Oh, where Alright, there. Alright, come on. LG, you gonna play, you wanna play, Prison Life? Of course.
Yeah,
$5 Robux only. Open up that door. Beat up. Alright, guys, let's be police. No, I can't. Just kidding, Lambo. If you guys think that it's right, no, it's just JK Lambo. Yeah, did you really just try to prank Yubs? You freaking baby Mario? Oh, thank you. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Watch this. Get that boy. Let's go, bro. You can't stop the me. R. Click R to reload. I did. Come out or wherever you are. Guys, we're just gonna be trolling the prison, alright? Oh yeah, what's up guys? Yeah, I forgot to say that. Yeah, he's my friend. My new friend. What's his name? I need to get his name. Get the key card, get his key card. Oh, let me get. Oh! You're smart, you're freaking smart. This guy just had a lot of. He's trying to ambush me from everywhere. This guy's smart. Oh, you're really trying to kill me. Easy. Guys, this guy is just ambushing everywhere. Move out of the way! What's up? Oh crap. There's some criminals in the game? No. I'm just like Uber Ice.
Gee, my emulator.
I can come join. Come on guys, let's go, let's go. Stop saying no, R. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you, baby. Bacon, get back over there, Bacon. No, let me out. Let's go, bro. I can't be stopped at this game. What's up, bro? Damn! You guys just see that crazy, intense moment? I'm on my try-harding so hard. What's up, bro? What's up? Nah. Oh, frick. Die, you stupid idiot. Oh. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Hey, what's up? Alright. Hey, bro. What's up with that, bro? Hey, put that down. Dick noob. So I shot your butt. Never mind. I'm not family friendly if I just said that word. Because last time I deleted a part where I said you. I said that to a cop on a jailbreak. I was about to post that video. Like, no, bro, I'm gonna get demonetized from that. Archie, come out. Oh, want me to kill the criminal? I don't have a key card. I need a key. I need to kill a lot of cops to get a key. Archie, can I kill you so I can get a key? I'm trying to get a key, Archie. A key card. Really? I found a key card. Did he even drop a key card? Let me get the Really? You tased me? Guys, it won't let me pick it up. I guess that's a fake key card. Did you have my account in? Oh no, I thought because I have an auto account like slightly that name. There's a criminal. Want me to kill that criminal?
Yeah.
What's up? Bro, this kid killed me. And oh my god. Oh, you're toxic. He's a toxic criminal. Alright, let me in again. Let me in. Don't kill me, I'm on your team. I'm on your team, cops. I'm on the cops team. Guys, let me thank you, Bacon, let me out. Don't kill me. Alright guys, thank you. RJ, take me outside. There's someone right here. Can you ambush? RJ, don't cuss. I'm family friendly. I'm family friendly now. Go to the room if you're gonna cuss. Bro, these. Yeah, guys, easy 43 Glocks, my friend.
Oh my god. Why would I let her in here, bro?
Let me in, guys. I need to kill that criminal outside. There's a criminal from behind. Wait, did you just drop? No, you didn't. Alright, guys. So as you left, so let's go ahead. Maybe you should become a prisoner. Do you hate being a prisoner or what? I'm gonna shoot this bear. Oh my god, kill that boy. Yeah, let's go. Hey, where's the bacon at? I gotta glitch out.
Oh,
Alright guys, watch this. You can glitch out from my right. Oh yeah, I forgot I can be a criminal if I just check. Guys, there's another glitch right here. Yeah, right here. Alright. Guys, I think I want to kill all the criminals though. Should I be a cop though? Guys, should I be a cop? Should I be a cop? I feel like to be a criminal. What? Oh my god, it's so hard to see. Let me go sleep. Hey, bro. Hey, I'm gonna kill you with my fucking gun, bro. I just cussed. Sorry, guys. But wait, don't be killing my friend. What's up, bro? Don't punch him. Don't punch him. He's just a mobile player. Bro, what's up? You wanna fight? What's up? Square up. What's up? Oh, you wanna fight? Oh, what's up? What's up? Wanna fight? You don't know I know how to fight, huh? But get out of here. You're trash. You barely punched me once. You freaking idiot. Oh crap. This boy is really trying to get in my fight. Guys, I think I should be. Thank you. Sorry, I won't kill you guys. I'll be happy. Don't kill me. Please, I won't kill you. I won't. Where's the bacon? Let me in. Oh, thank you. Alright, come on. Bro, this dude can get stuck right there. Come on. I need to find another cop. Oh, come on, bro. You know what, guys? You guys are kind of eating. No cap. I can probably just kill this whole freaking prison bank. They'll all be dead. Watch this. Come on, enter. Bro, that's it. I'm going in, bro. They're not doing nothing. They're just staying still. You thought I was not good, huh? That's cap. I am. Let me out. This kid is only using freaking pistol. Sorry for raging, but I need a rage. This kid keeps freaking getting stuck in the little thing and then I no. Oh, sorry. My freaking thing wouldn't work. I would try to. It wouldn't not work. Alright guys, well, what do you want to play? Oh, that was fun. Soy. It's a little that Legend Aimbot. I'm gonna change my name to Legend of Aimbot of PC. Oh my god, bro. Come on. Where's YouTube at? Mixtape Bunk Collector. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it right here. If you guys enjoy this gameplay, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Psych! I will see you in the next video, but
what are you guys doing?
I'm recording. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and do everything before my mom hits me and she clean up. Bye.